Hey, hello, this is Kronos with another video, and I'm not just gonna be playing Reason to Die here. Obviously Reason to Die is like a really old game, and it's not really dead. It's like it's like here and there, some people play here and there, but it's like one of the best, zombie games out there. But the reason why I kind of dislike it to play this game is because I've been playing it for super session that, just that. The reason why I haven't really been playing is because the game legitimately needs an update. I mean, I don't know, I'm pretty sure every game so far, like, I've been playing about 4 hours now, it started lagging like this, and my stuff, like as you see, is gray. Even that hasn't even loaded yet. But every time, it's a new round of that. And the reason why is because, like I said again, I'm just spiking every weekend, and I do 180. And I'll be like that. I'll be like walking like this. If I try to, okay, that was actually one. That was two. If I try to, I'll be like doing this, like that. That actually happened there. And the audio is reset, so I can't hear my gun, this gun, the M249. Well, okay. Alright. So that's just one of the things I've been annoyed by this game. But overall, it's pretty nice. I like the way the game style played. It has multiple options for you. So like, okay, I would have been dead by then. If there was a swarm, I would have, and then me, basically. Okay, what the heck? And then me just lagging like this. It's not lagging. It's not the game being that everybody's affected. It's just affected by it. Either because my computer is not slow, or that certain script is just too much for me. So, okay. I don't have bullets. Okay. Come on, melee him. You grab ammo, but I can't really grab anything. Oh my gosh. Trying to go over there. There's... I'll use this until I'm the last one. Whoa! I haven't been talking a lot because I'm so focused on the game. But I'm still kind of frustrated by this stupid. Okay, you see what just happened there? Oh my gosh! Uber me. Hey, put me in. Not now! Let me just jump off and die. Anyways, that's kind of like, you know, basically what I do on an everyday average reason die, and it takes about. I've been playing this game in this server for about this now, and I'm freaking glitching like this. I know for sure that it is not my computer that can be before until the last week. Right, the last week, I don't know what the heck happened, but for some reason I'm all super laggy, glitching everywhere, running and boom, looking up, looking down, running everywhere. Usually this is what happened on that one place with a boat on it. You can jump into the boat ship with two big giant crane and two big giant water tower and like, but like I would try to jump. Like imagine this thing right here is the boat, right? I would try to jump on it and I would fall inside of I'm trying to jump off of it, and I go like this, and then that, whatever, right? Okay, that just happened. This is perfect. And I would fall inside the wall. Things like that happen. Just focus. But I'm just here recording, updating on the games. But more serious note, on a more serious note, while I was playing, because I made these my dumbest, you know, if a freaking digger catch me, whatever. But put this down, close the screen recorder app that I use or site, open up my avatar, and it's lagging. That's reason die, that's R2DA, that's profile, profile. Also, for some reason, my computer is really slow. It could be my computer or it could be my Wi-Fi, I don't really know. I'm pretty sure it's my computer because I have another computer that I play on, this small one, and when I load up things up, it goes really fast. So, I'm promoting my shirts, and if I could develop, actually let's go to group, open up group. While that is loading, because freaking clicking on group and it didn't load group. Thank you, please protect me. Loading, loading, loading. Friendship. Oh. Come on, where's my group, man? Alright, while that's loading, I'm gonna pause it so it won't be so long. Let me get back to it. Okay, so now that I've loaded, I'm on my group. And originally, it was supposed to be a group of friends, you know, a Sky Crew is supposed to be your friends. And if you're watching, you're probably one of my friends from Roblox. And if you're not my friend, you're probably following me, which I prefer you to follow me than to add me as a friend. Some people say there's no difference. The thing is, I'm gonna keep my friend low, because I don't feel like friending every single person I meet. I legitimately have just deleted about 100 friend requests, and before that I had like 583, and before that it was like 1,000. So I'm deleting friend requests. What I do like is to follow And I do follow some people. I've deleted all my followers because a lot of those were just old friends. When, like in 2000, like before 2015 updated, and then they changed all the friends to friends, like, and good friends and followers and something like that. But my eye really burns, and I'm getting attacked. Oh my god. I have no ammo. Freaking hit them. Okay, whatever. If I die, I die. Okay, so let me get this really fast. My new group, and in my new group, you're probably in it because I'm having such survivor reviews. I have my new Dominus series. I'm almost done. There's about 2 more, and I'm updating 2 more in the next 2 days. You can probably guess what it is already, but from that, my Dominus series, load it up, see what's going on here. I don't know what the button is. I'm getting damage. I'm not ready to die yet. I don't know if that catched or not, but I'm lagged and I die, and it's game over. So, to the real talk, here is my Dominus collection, and you have the measure here: Zurus, Imperius, the Frigus, Rex, and Furnace. So 2, 4, 6. We also have the Prey. I forgot what it was, Preyfurious or something like that. And we also have the Vesperus. Is there any more? That's it. That's about all the Dominus. There's new Dominus, that key Dominus, but I'm not gonna put that on. But those are the 9 Dominus that is collectible. Once I finish the 9 Dominus, I'm gonna start doing my Immortal Sword Dominus, which okay, just so you know, this is what I go through every time. And already, as you do, actually walk straight to actually get my screen. Okay, probably different. I agree with you that it is definitely spiking, but it's not the computer just spiking. Or maybe it is, because look, okay, it is spiking, but it isn't my computer doing it, or Wi-Fi doing it. Right? It's actually the game doing it. But that's what I get out after. But thanks for watching. If you are watching, try to get more subscribers. And I'm thinking a little update that I am my new place. I'm creating it, and I'm making the to get that done. I'm gonna start developing the actual gameplay, and then scripting is what I think I'm gonna be doing.